Hello, myself Ahmed. I am calling from Saharanpur, Janta.event.Furniture. How are you? I received inquiry. Okay, that's great. So I want to tell you about yourself. Our service, we export our product to all over India through the service of transportation. No matter where are you in India, transportation service got your delivered. Product safe and on time. We manufacture different types of sofa, for example. Wedding sofa, audience sofa, wooden designer sofa, Chesterfield and love seat sofa, etc. We also manufacture other types of furniture like Maharaja sofa, steel and wooden catering counter, or all types of event decoration items, rocking chair, fiber gate, fiber port, and fiber panel, etc. Requirement to you. Please contact us if you want more detail about these products. Tell me, I will send you catalog link. Please specify the platform which you want our catalog like WhatsApp or email, etc. Please call us on the number given on the screen. Thanks for being with us. Have a nice day, stay happy and stay safe. Continue to shop from Janta Export Furniture. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सेवा आपके प्रोडक्ट को सुरक्षित और समय पर डिलीवर करती है। हम विभिन्न प्रकार के सोफे का बनाते करते हैं। उदाहरण के लिए वेडिंग सोफा, ऑडियंस सोफा, लकड़ी के डिजाइनर सोफा, चेस्टरफील्ड और लव सीट सोफा आदि। हम अन्य प्रकार के फर्नीचर भी बनाते हैं, जैसे महाराजा, सोफा, स्टील और लकड़ी के कैटरिंग।